Hello everyone. We have started a complete AI and robotics course, and yes, it is totally free of cost. This course is specially designed for students who don't know where to start and what to start. Today, many students are interested in AI and robotics, but they feel confused. They watch different videos, hear big terms like machine learning, artificial intelligence, and automation, and then they don't know the right direction. That is exactly why we started this initiative. At vstechhorizon, we believe technology is not difficult. You just need the right roadmap and strong basics. So we created a step-by-step learning path. First, we start with Python because Python is the foundation of AI, machine learning, data science, and even robotics. We are teaching from very basics so that even a beginner can understand clearly and build confidence. After building a strong foundation in Python, we will move towards machine learning with simple explanation and practical understanding. Now coming to robotics, we have created a separate robotics course especially for students who do not have hardware and robotics kit. You do not need to buy anything. You can learn robotics from home using simulation tools. We teach how sensors work, how circuits are connected, how Arduino logic works, and how real projects are built step by step. Along with these courses, we will regularly upload high quality videos related to technology, AI, innovation, and future skills that will truly help you grow and stay updated. Goal is very simple. We want to remove confusion, we want to give clear direction, and we want students to build real skills. For school students, college beginners, and anyone who wants to start from zero. Everything is completely free. If you are serious about learning future technologies, start today, build your foundation, follow the roadmap, and go step by step.